Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are doing bright words. You will need a pencil, a highlighter, and a red crayon. Please pause the video and gather your pencil, highlighter, and red crayon. All right, my friends, we are working with initial three-letter blends. Remember, an initial three-letter blend is three consonants side by side before the vowel. Our first word is strut. S-t-r-u-t, strut. With your pencil, please write strut. S-t-r-u-t, strut. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel. With your highlighter, please underline the three-letter blend. Very nice. Our next word is scrimp. S-k-r-i-m-p, scrimp. With your pencil, please write scrimp. S-k-r-i-m-p, scrimp. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in scrimp. I is my vowel in scrimp. With your highlighter, please underline the initial three-letter blend. SCR is my three-letter blend. Next word is scram. S-k-r-a-m, scram. With your pencil, write scram. S-k-r-a-m, scram. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in scram. Ah. With your highlighter, please underline the initial three-letter blend. Skr. Our next word is crimp. K-r-i-m-p, crimp. With your pencil, write crimp. K-r-i-m-p, crimp. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in crimp. I. Now, boys and girls, does crimp have an initial three-letter blend? No, it does not. It has an R blend, which is two consonants side by side, but we are looking for three consonants side by side. So we are not going to underline with our highlighter in crimp. Our next word is splat. S-p-l-a-t, splat. With your pencil, write splat. S-p-l-a-t, splat. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in splat. Ah. Does splat have a three-letter blend? Yes, it does. Three consonants side by side. Please underline with your highlighter the three-letter blend. Our next word is scrub. S-k-r-u-b, scrub. With your pencil, write scrub. S-k-r-u-b, scrub. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in scrub. With your highlighter, please underline the three-letter blend. Skr. Next word is split. S. P. O. It. Split. With your pencil, write split. S. P. O. It. Split. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in split. I. With your highlighter, please underline the three-letter blend. Spol. Next word is sprig. 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 With your pencil, write sprig. Sprig. With your red crayon, trace the vowel in sprig. I. With your highlighter, please underline the three-letter blend. Three consonants side by side before the vowel. Next word is strum. Strum. With your pencil, write strum. Strum. With your red crayon, trace the vowel in strum. With your highlighter, please highlight the three-letter initial blend. Stir. Then we have strap. 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 With your pencil, write strap. Strap. With your red crayon, please trace the vowel in strap. With your highlighter, please underline the three-letter blend. Stir. Way to go. Flip your paper over. All right, my friends, on this side, we are listening for the three-letter blend skr and sure. Our first picture is of a girl who is going to scrub the floor. Skr, skr. I hear S-C-R, skr. And I'm going to cross off one of my skr blends. Next picture, the girl is holding up a sock that has shrunk. Shrunk. I hear at the beginning of the word shrunk. My next picture is of a shrub. Shrub. What blend do you hear? I hear shrub. A shrub is like a bush. Shrub. Cross it off when I'm done. Next is a picture of a shrimp. A shrimp lives in the ocean and we eat them. Shrimp. I hear sure blend at the beginning of shrimp. Cross it off when you're done. Next picture is of a scribble. 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 I hear S-C-R. Three consonants side by side before the vowel. Skr. Cross it off when you're done. Next, I have a boy who is about to scream. Scr. Scr. SCR is my 3-letter initial blend. Scr. Next, look at this. The poor boy has a scrape. Scrape. SCR. Scrape. Cross it off. Then I have a shred. They're going to shred the paper. Shred. Last one is screw. 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 SCR. Initial blend. Cross it off. Way to go. You did great.